Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, there lived a small girl named Lily. She had rosy cheeks, bright eyes, and a smile that could light up the darkest room. Lily was full of curiosity and always eager to explore the world around her.
Welcome back to my awesome artificial intelligence tutorial channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create an incredible anime animation video using completely free AI tools. This video is divided into 3 exciting parts. In part 1, we'll guide you through the process of creating a video script using the amazing power of ChatGPT and Google Bard. Moving on to part 2, we'll demonstrate how to create an awesome audio file using a free text-to-speech AI tool. Finally, in the last part, we'll bring everything together and show you how to create the animation of your dreams. So, let's jump right in. Oh, wait a minute, I have spent hours crafting this free tutorial just for you. Would you please give me 5 seconds of your precious time for a quick like and comment? Thank you so much, my dear friend.
Open 3 new tabs in your browser. In first tab, open Adobe Free Animator. Now go to second tab, open ChatGPT and log into it. Now go to third tab and open Creato AI. Now we have all 3 AI tools ready for action. First, we need to create a small story using ChatGPT, let's say, Small Girl Short Story. ChatGPT has generated a small story for us. Now what we have to do is just copy this story and paste inside Creato Free AI tool that will convert this story into an audio file. You will find AI text dubbing option under AI tools section. Creato AI is a completely 100% free tool. We can use it as much as we want without paying any money. This tool does not even ask for any credit card number or something like that. All the links are there in the description. Now we have pasted the story in Creato tool. We are selecting the language as English. We can select any of the language available worldwide, and we can select any of the voice from this list. Let's select voice of Anna. Let's listen to the sample first.
Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, there lived a small girl named Lily. She had rosy.
Now click on Confirm button and it will generate audio from text. Let's download this file. In the next step, we have to go to third AI tool, which is Adobe Free Animator. To create animation video, we need to choose 3 things. First is the video character, so let's select character of Rain. You can select any of them depending upon your story. Second is the background. You can select any of the background available from the list suitable for your story. In the third step, we need to select the size. For example, you can make video for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or any of the available social media platform. So let's select YouTube. Video sizes is 16:9 for YouTube. Now let's upload the audio file from here and wait for the process to complete. Now it's processing the video computing, head movement, and working on lip sync.
Around her.
To download this video, simply click on Share and select the platform to share. Or you can just click on Download button and the download will be started. So let's listen to the result once again in full screen.
Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, there lived a small girl named Lily. She had rosy cheeks, bright eyes, and a smile that could light up the darkest room. Lily was full of curiosity and always eager to explore the world around her.
Thank you for watching this amazing AI animation tutorial. We hope you found it informative and exciting. Don't forget to show your love by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more incredible videos like this one. Bye bye for now, and happy animating!